Cheers boring, but at least we're back here, right, Chomper? Yeah, sure. I love lying here. Yeah, I love sitting in the ground. Me three. You're not even in the ground. Fair point. I can't believe I needed a cactus to help me win against an imp. Calm down. Fine. What's that noise? You heard that too, right? No, I didn't hear anything. Okay. I heard it again. I'm hearing nothing. Yeah, you're going insane. You're calling me insane! Spooky. I heard it that time. You heard it? Actually, yeah, I did. Spooky, ooky. Hey guys, I'm Spooky Squash. Are you edible? Well, good, because I hope you're not. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of sit over here. What do? Do you go underground? No, I roll. That's it? Yep. Okay. Okay, this time I'll be the leader. We'll switch turns, okay? No! I want to be a leader every time. Okay. Ow! Ha! Fine, I'll just sit down. That was very mean. I didn't ask. Anyways, Bob, what were you gonna say anyways? I got someone. Here, let me get him. But that's just Norm. I know, but Norm has a surfboard now. Yay! It's time to ride the surfboard. Dude, I guess that's cool. You still don't have a cone like Coney. It's okay, you're still cool. Thank you. Let's just attack. Who do I kill? Well, Aubrey, you're not wearing a shirt, so. Yes, I am. Ow. Yeah, I'm not dealing with that today. What is that thing? That was kind of pathetic. Duck tube. Oh, no. Super Ducky, no! Please, wait, Super Ducky. Yes? Someone needs rescues on the ground. Really? Yes. That was easier than I thought. Are you serious right now? I'm so mad. Coney, you want to go since you're so cool? Would I ever? Let me get something. That's my secret trick. What is that? What's that even gonna do? What? No. No. I can't get back up. Ooh, I'm back up. Ah! Be gone. Anyways, gotta get on my way and jump. No. I actually did it. No. Get back up. I have one more use. Owie. Ow. You hit me. Sorry. Hey, Jumps, everyone likes you. You're a fan favorite. Go. Brains! Ow. Brains! Oh. Brains? Yeah, I'm back. Okay. We need to get back. Yeah. Where'd you even come from? Don't know. Okay. Sprinter. Okay. I've been saving this one up. Yeah, wolf! Ow. So, did anyone even see him? Nope. Someone went. It's time, Norm. Surfboarding! You've got to be kidding me. I love surfboarding. Oh my gosh! I hate pea shooters. That's what I do. I hate pea shooter. What? Stop it. Ow. Can you get someone back already? I'll go right here. You're useless! Okay. Sure. Let me get someone. Yay. Huge wave of zombies. That's our first one. Okay. Everyone go! Ow, ow, ow. There's not enough room here. No, cake. No. I can escape. I can up. Spooky squash. No. I hate spooky squashes. That was dumb. Figures. Forgot about the lawnmower. Not me too. Dodge roll. I'm going for the game. Not good. Kevin, you go. You know what? You go. No! I'm Hut. Oh, it's time to die. / kill. Oh yeah, I forgot you can do that. I'm still gonna eat you up! Easy as pie. We meet again. What are you doing? This is supposed to be Mama Day! That was easy. Now I'll go. Actually. What? Yay! I did it! Wait. I feel like I'm forgetting something. Oh well. I'm still alive!